making microwave mashed potatoes with a potato, not a box. So what you want to do is you want to peel your potatoes. However you peel them is fine. I like to peel mine with a knife. Some people like a potato peeler. My kids use a potato peeler because I don't feel it's safe for them to use a knife. They are learning their knife skills, but I just think right now, this early into it, peeling a potato would be safer with a potato peeler for them. So let me get these potatoes peeled up really quick, and then I'll let you know what to do next. Okay, so my potatoes are peeled. I've filled my glass bowl with water. You want to use glass and not plastic because the glass conducts the heat better than the plastic does. So then you just want to dice your potatoes. However you like to cut them is fine with me, but just dice them up really small. The smaller they are, the faster they cook. Sometimes I don't cut mine all the way through. Go back. So this is about the perfect size that you want. And then you want to go ahead and put them in your water. So I'm going to go ahead and chop up these last ones. Okay, so all of my potatoes are diced tiny and are in the bowl of water. So this is microwave mashed potatoes. We're going to put them in the microwave. So let's see. My crock pot is still left out from the other day, or yesterday, I should say, not the other day. We're going to put this in the microwave for 6 minutes. When it's done, I'll be back. Shut off, the timer's went off. We're going to open it up and give them a good stir. Ignore the dirty microwave. That's a project for tomorrow. 6 more minutes. Let it go and we'll see how they are when they get done. Okay, so our time has ended on the microwave again. Let's pop the microwave open and grab some pot holders because it's gonna be hot. And let's pull it out. The way I test it is I pull one up, take the pot holder and hold and see if it'll smash. And it's mashing pretty good. So I'm going to get my strainer out and we're going to strain these. Okay, so we've got them all strained and we've got them dumped into our mixing bowl. I'm going to close the mixer lid down, lock it in place, and turn it to 4. I'm going to beat those down a little bit while I grab the milk and the butter. I just eyeball it, just toss a little butter in. And then just kind of judge by how thick they are, how much milk you need. You don't want to mix them too fast or they'll get lumpy or they'll get glued like. So I'm going to turn it off there. They're still kind of lumpy. They're getting to about the right consistency, but we need to scrape the side of the bowl so those can get over in the middle and those can get beat in. Lock it back in place, put it back to 4. This is an optional step that I like to take. A little bit of sour cream and give it a flop in. Okay, I believe they're mixed up pretty good. So now we're going to add the salt and pepper, but I'm going to move back over the other counter where I have more room. So just a moment. Okay, so you could eyeball it and do your salt and pepper to taste, but I know exactly what my family likes, so I do it this way. I do a tablespoon of salt, and then usually do like a half a teaspoon, but I'm using the pepper grinder today, so I'm just going to eyeball it. But it's about a half a teaspoon. Okay, then I'm going to mix it in real good, just with a spoon. And voila, creamy mashed potatoes. And it took less than 25 minutes. Hope you enjoy this recipe. Let me know if you try it in the comments down below. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And please don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. And you can be notified of any of my new cooking videos, vlogs, cleaning, and all the other things that happen that we have fun at on this channel. Have a good day.